We're working on this bad boy right here. Wide body, APR. Doing a heater course, so gotta take out the whole dash for this shit. So taking off the dash. Not gonna record because I've done it before. Mark is doing hood puns over there. Screw him.
They never seen this before?
The dash is already out.
What is it?
Yep.
Where's the heater core out?
Nope.
Well then.
So there's a clip right here that just pulls off. This one has a screw right here, Phillips, and a plug right here, and the rest just pop up.
If you guys come over here with Daddy, we got you over here. I'm doing the hood, so it's pretty much already done. Not done, but it's already ready to start cutting. I'm gonna trace it. Unfortunately, this set of Aero Latches hood latches didn't come with a template, so it's not the hardest thing in the world. Just gotta tape it up and trace around it. So, hey, 2ZZ. But yeah, so this should be fun. But we hungry. We need food.
Well,
are you done yet?
Get food.
Are you done?
No, are you done?
Come on, they want to see you done.
Hey,
B.
I've got more shit done than you. Drill a hole.
No, in theory, if you count, how far are you gone right now? Like what, 25%?
Yeah.
I'm about 20% too. I'm about that quarter way done.
That's a lot easier than this.
Hey, I'm dealing with hazardous materials like fiberglass going into my lungs. I can die, all right? I'm losing lifespan over here. What are you losing? Patience?
This was a mission. Old one out. New one going in. And then put everything back together. After like 10 hours, shit's done. Aero's on. Heater's working. We're gonna install the bumper outside because it's straight.